Good morning, girls. Hope everyone is well and safe at home. Girls, we were discussing CR formula, and its another name in history is Rajgopal Acharya's formula. He was basically a Congress leader when Quit India movement, it was stopped when the civil disobedience movement, it was stopped forcefully by the British government when Mr. Gandhi was put behind the bars. Then a Congress leader, Rajgopal Acharya, he presented a formula which is known in the history as CR formula. Today we will discuss it. Now open your books on page 57. Now, Rajgopal Acharya's formula 1944 or CR formula. Clear? So, it is also known as CR formula. Chakravarti Rajgopal Acharya, a Congress leader from Madras, formulated a proposal to solve the political deadlock between All India Muslim League and the Indian National Congress on independence of India from British. Clear? So first of all, you will note down that who formulated the CR formula. So you will write Chakravarti Rajgopal Acharya, a Congress leader from Madras, formulated a CR formula. Clear? So the first question will be who formulated the CR formula. You will write Chakravarti Rajgopal Acharya, a Congress leader from Madras, formulated a CR formula. Now the next one is what was the purpose of CR formula? Clear? So you will write the purpose of CR formula was to solve the political deadlock between All India Muslim League and the Indian National Congress on independence of India from British. Clear? So it was basically signed, it was basically presented, it was basically formulated to abridge the distance between All India Muslim League and Indian National Congress, to make a strong support for the British government that we are raising our voice together. Clear? Now come to the third question. What are the main points of CR formula? Clear? There were three main points of CR formula. This will be your third short question. Muslim League would endorse the Congress demand for complete independence of India. Means Muslim League would completely support Congress. Why would it support? For complete independence of India. Secondly, Muslim League would cooperate Congress in forming an interim government in the transitional period. Transitional period means it's a process of changing of one state to another, or it's a process of changing of one condition to another. Third one, at the end of the war, a commission would be appointed to demarcate the districts having a Muslim population in absolute majority, means in clear majority, in those areas having plebiscite to be conducted in all inhabitants. What is plebiscite? Plebiscite is a vote made by everyone. What is plebiscite? A vote made by everyone entitled to do an important public question. So in those areas where the Muslims, they are in absolute majority, and in those areas plebiscite to be conducted of all inhabitants on basis of adult suffrage. What is suffrage? Suffrage means the right to vote in political election. What is suffrage? The right to vote in political election. So you have done three questions from this topic. The first one, who formulated CR formula? Secondly, what was the purpose of CR formula? Thirdly, what are the main points of CR formula? Now what happened? Quaid-e-Azam wanted to put the proposals before the working committee of Muslim League, but the Muslim League authorized him to decide himself. When he put the proposals in front of the Muslim League, when he put the proposals in front of the committee of the Muslim League, what did they say? They authorized him to decide himself whether to accept or to reject. So what happened? It was rejected. It got failed. So we would look into the reason. The reason of the failure of this formula was that its modus operandi. Modus operandi is basically the methodology, tariqa-e-kar. Clear? The unvarying, the procedure. it was not clear. What was the reason of the failure of this formula? That it was not clear. The modus operandi, the procedure, the methodology, it was not clear. So it was not given importance. So write down the 4 short question with the topic. What was the reason of the failure of CR formula? What was the reason of the failure of CR formula? So you will write the reason of the failure of this formula was that its modus operandi was not clear, so it was not given importance. This is what all about Rajgopal Acharya formula or CR formula 1944. Do it in your copies and send me your work side by side. Thank you girls. Take care. Allah Hafiz.